Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjay Panicker. When there is bloating of the abdomen and indigestion, it is important to identify what is causing that. It's basically a poor digestive tract. It's not able to digest the foods that you are taking in. So why is this happening? There are certain organisms which are healthy and important for the body. These microorganisms in your intestine are maybe a trillion in number. They are microorganisms which form the microbiome, and that is required for the absorption of the nutrition that you digest in your stomach and is absorbed from the intestines. The microorganism or the flora in the intestine is not healthy enough, then the absorption of the nutrients doesn't happen properly. The digestive process doesn't happen properly. That can lead to bloating, can lead to gas problems. It can also be because your digestive organs are not functioning properly. Like for example, the liver is a major digestive gland. When that is not functioning properly, that can cause bile to be produced which is not of so good quality, and so gas forms, bloating forms, and stomach pain comes up because gas is accumulated here and there. Often patients feel that the gas is moving around. Sometimes there is pain here, sometimes there is pain here, and it keeps changing. So many patients even come up with chest pain thinking that that is some cardiac issue, but actually it is gas which is imitating a cardiac emergency. This is because your digestive functions, which is controlled by the liver and various other digestive glands, is not happening properly. So once the entire digestive functions are improved, then these problems resolve. So there are excellent remedies like Carbo Veg, Lycopodium, and Calcarea Carb. There are also remedies like Ferrum, sulfur, phosphorus, pulsatilla, which help in improving the digestive functions. Nux Vomica and Thuja can never be forgotten in this kind of conditions. Yes, homeopathy can help in improving the conditions like constipation and diarrhea based on the cause of that particular condition. Now, if it is a lifestyle issue, like constipation is happening because of a sedentary lifestyle or due to some hormonal issues like thyroid, then those factors have to be tackled. The thyroid may have to be tackled, or if it's a lifestyle issue, then the lifestyle has to be improved. Many cases of constipation, it is because they have a sedentary lifestyle. That is the most common thing, or the diet is not very good. So improve the fiber in your diet. If you sleep well, if you exercise regularly, most of the cases of constipation improves. Water intake also should be good enough. This is general management. But added to it, let's say the constipation is just not improving with any kind of treatment. There are excellent homeopathic remedies like Senega, Nux Vomica, Thuja, sulfur, which can improve the tendency for constipation. Alumina, sepia are other remedies which we can think of. Now, if it is diarrhea, it is important to know what is the cause behind it. Like if it is due to a lifestyle, let us say the person has had a lot of alcohol the previous night. When the body is not able to take that much, he has to either vomit it out or it has to pass as loose motion. So when this diarrhea happens, you just wait a couple of days, things will be settled down. But let us say if the diarrhea is not settling down and it is due to an infection and he is passing motion frequently, let's say 5-6 times, 7-8 times in a day, he is definitely going to be dehydrated if it continues like that. So in that case, oral rehydration is important. At the same time, tackling that particular infection with the indicated homeopathic remedies. If the symptoms are clear, then the doctor can identify the homeopathic remedy and give it. So that is a big challenge which I think only a good homeopathic doctor can give you the right remedy to sort out that particular issue. So it is an examination, observation, and based on symptomatology, remedies are selected. The most common remedies for these kind of issues is Nux Vomica. Then you have remedies like pulsatilla, you have remedies like China, you have Sina, you have alumina, and aloes, which are very good remedies. Podophyllum, very good remedies for diarrhea. So the doctor will be able to tell you, okay, this remedy is going to work well for you based on symptomatology and give you, and it does work excellently. A healthy diet is actually what helps your digestive tract to have a microbiome which is healthy enough for proper digestion and absorption of the nutrients. Microbiome is a group of microorganisms, a varied diversity of microorganisms which is there inside your intestine. Trillions of microorganisms are there, which is usually beneficial, and some of them are harmful. So if your diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, fiber-rich food, fermented food, then automatically the microbiome becomes a very healthy thing inside your body. It helps in the absorption of the nutrients, digestion happens properly. It also helps in the formation of the immune system. If your microbiome is healthy, it helps the immune system to recognize what is good bacteria and what is harmful for the body. And that recognition, when it is good, then you will see that conditions like allergies and autoimmune diseases don't come. Now in vitiligo, we have seen, that's an autoimmune condition, white patches. We have seen that changes in this microbiome has led to these kind of white patches. So in treatment of vitiligo, it is very, very important to improve the microbiome. Unless and until the bacterial flora in the intestine becomes healthy, and if the patient is having acidity and gas formation, the case does not improve. Many patients often use substances which can increase the acidity. It can be a very common thing like maybe just a painkiller, but still that is increasing the acid secretions, changing the bacterial flora in the intestines. That itself can sometimes hamper the improvement in cases of autoimmune conditions like vitiligo. So improvement of the bacterial flora is very important in treating autoimmune conditions, whether it be vitiligo, psoriasis, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or that kind of autoimmune arthritis, or any autoimmune condition. It is also important in treatment of allergies. In all these conditions, the immune system's memory is affected. Is not able to recognize what is important, what is your own body, what is outside substance. It is attacking your own body, or it is attacking some other pollen or dust particle or some organism outside. Where it is not needed to react, it is reacting. So this error is happening because the immune system is not exposed to the right kind of organism or the bacterial flora which is healthy. If it has healthy flora, it will identify what is healthy, what is not healthy. So that recognition comes. The gut integrity. You must have heard about leaky gut syndrome, where the gut is leaky and then various issues come up. So this leaky gut syndrome can be prevented if you have a healthy microbiome inside your intestinal tract. And that is possible if your diet is good, if you have a regular exercise, and if you don't make your body more toxic. Homeopathic medicines have a capacity to improve the microbiome inside your body. We have seen that many patients who are on homeopathic medicines, as we know, homeopathy is very gastric friendly. So it does not cause any acidity or gas formation or burping or all this kind of condition in patients. Even in infants who are just newborn, maybe 2 days old, 3 days old, homeopathic medicine has worked excellently without causing any gastritis or acidity. So it is very friendly to the organisms inside the digestive tract, and so it does not harm it. It improves the microbiome, helps in proper digestion. Homeopathy also helps in stress management to treat diseases like anxiety disorders, panic disorders and all that, which can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. So when this stress and anxiety is dealt with the right kind of medicines, automatically conditions like IBS improve, the digestive flora improves, and then these conditions also improve. It has got a detoxifying effect. It has got an effect on the liver, which is a major detoxifying gland in the body. And if you can make that function better, then automatically the digestive functions will improve. So that way, homeopathy is excellent in improving the bacterial flora and the digestion. Yes, there are excellent homeopathic remedies which can improve the overall health of the person and improve the gut health, digestive functions, so that the immune system development is proper. So many conditions which is connected with the poor immunity improve when the gut health improve. Like for example, I had a patient who was a chronic alcoholic and his entire liver functions had gone bad. So when he came to me, he was in such a bad condition with a lot of oral leukoplakia, as we call it, white patches inside the mouth, digestion not happening properly, and then he's having frequent loose motion, and it sometimes alternates with constipation. And this condition, I used a medicine called Nux Vomica, and within about 6 months, all his symptoms improved. The entire bowel functions got restored, and he was able to get back to his normal life. Before he came to me, he had abdomen bloated, liver showing symptoms of failure, and various other symptoms, which later on picked up after Nux Vomica. So likewise, if we improve the gut health, there are many medicines for this. This is, I just cited one case which symptomatically indicated towards Nux Vomica, but there are many other medicines which can improve the gut health and improve the health of the patient.